If Chrome looks too large on your screen, or if the text and web page elements feel zoomed in, there are two super quick ways to reduce Chrome zoom. In this video, I'll show you the fastest mouse shortcut and the built-in Chrome menu method so you can zoom out in just a few seconds. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's use the mouse shortcut. This is the quickest method and works great if you want smooth control. Make sure Chrome is open on your computer, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, scroll down with your mouse wheel. As you scroll down, you'll see the zoom level decrease step by step, and the page will become smaller on the screen. This is a smooth way to zoom out because you can stop exactly where the page feels comfortable. If you go too far, just scroll up while still holding Control to zoom back in a little. This shortcut works on most Chrome pages and is one of the easiest ways to reduce zoom without opening any menus. Now, let's look at the second method, using the Chrome menu. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser options. From there, look for the Zoom section. You'll usually see a plus button, a minus button, and a percentage number in the middle. To reduce Chrome zoom, click the minus button. Each click lowers the zoom level a little more, making the content appear smaller and easier to fit on the screen. Keep clicking until the page looks right for you. This method is especially useful if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, or if your mouse doesn't have a scroll wheel. If your Chrome pages are still not fitting correctly after zooming out, you can always check whether the zoom level was changed on just one tab or across the whole browser. In many cases, Chrome remembers the zoom setting for that specific website, so if you visit another page, it may look different. That's why it's good to know both methods. The shortcut gives you fast control, and the menu gives you a precise way to lower the zoom level. Once you've reduced the zoom, your browser should feel much more comfortable to use, especially if you accidentally zoomed in too far. And that's how to reduce Chrome zoom using the mouse shortcut and the Chrome menu. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips, browser tricks, and easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.